In 1983, a man robbed an armored car of $7 million and handed almost all of it away. Victor Gurina was a Wells Fargo guard in Hartford, Connecticut. Quiet, trusted. Nobody suspected a thing. On the night of September 12th, mid-route, he sedated his two colleagues with injections. Then he loaded the cash into a waiting car and vanished. But Gurina didn't buy a mansion. He didn't disappear to a beach somewhere. He handed the money to Los Macateros, a Puerto Rican independence group fighting against American rule. The $7 million funded their cause directly. Then he fled to Cuba, and Cuba refused to send him back. For decades, Gurina lived openly in Havana, while the FBI kept his name on their most wanted list. No trial, no prison, no ending. Most heists are about greed. This one was about belief. The money is gone. The cause got what it paid for. And the man who pulled it off never spent a single day in an American courtroom.